Hello and very good evening to all. Welcome back to my channel, Naveen Tamtam Excel VBA. So guys, today I have brought a very good topic for you. Since I am a member of a Facebook community page wherein some questions related to Excel and VBA keep coming in. And in this tutorial, I will explain a very good topic related to if condition. So as you can see on my screen, someone named Shashank Agarwal has asked a question. The question is, I have this type of database. How do I delete duplicate entries in C column which have no names mentioned in B column? But here I just gave example with one number. There could be many mobile numbers with or without names. I don't want to delete numbers with blank rows. The condition is delete all duplicate numbers and preserve those which have names. If a mobile number is only mentioned one with no name, then it should not be deleted. It means the example or the screenshot given here is, as you can see, there are two columns, B and C. And one name like Shashank has been given here and some mobile numbers. So what actually he is looking for, he wants to delete the duplicate entries wherein no names have been mentioned like this. So here in column, row 29th and 31, these are my duplicate entries. So he wants to delete these duplicate numbers and keep this one, which is, given against the name Shashank. So I have prepared one, solution for it. And the, example is there in this page. So here you can see some names have been given here and mobile numbers as well. So we have some blank entries here and some repetitive mobile numbers. If you can see, this 53 is given here and 53 is also given here and then here as well. So I want to delete the duplicate entries which have no names on column B. All right. So what formula I would be using here? So there is a very logical formula and I'm sure you will learn a lot from this formula. So the formula is, I will apply if and AND. So the syntax for AND condition is logical 1, logical 2, logical 3, and so on and so forth, basis of the conditions given to you. So here we have two conditions. So my first condition is, I want to say if the value given on column B equals to blank. Now it says logical 2. So the logical 2 is, I want to say count if, I will freeze this one, and then the criteria would be this. I want to say to count the entries here if they are greater than 1. So in such a case, it will say delete this entry, else keep this entry. That's it, guys. So as soon as I will press enter, it says keep this entry. And when I will drag this formula downwards, and I will apply one conditional formatting here on the deleted entries, the entries which needs to be deleted. So here I will apply this specific text, and here I will mention if the value is delete this entry, same will be highlighted in red color and font color will be white. Okay, and then okay. So these entries, need to be deleted. Now I just want to check if my formula is correctly working. So if I say check 1, and here I'm checking it with check 2. So check 1 is if this value equals to blank, then it will say 1, else blank. So it says blank because this value is not blank. So we can drag this formula as well, so that we can identify how many blank entries are here. And this second check is count if range would be this and criteria is C2. Enter. So it says this entry is falling within this range 4 times. So we can again drag this formula so that we could get the desired output. Now we have got the count of these mobile numbers. So guys, now I'm going to filter out the ones which have numbers. And here, if I say delete this entry, so guys, if you will have a look here, all these numbers do not have a single value. This entry is falling within that range 4 times. This one is 9 times. This one is also 9 times. So, and all these values have no names mentioned here. So we can simply delete these values. So such kind of situations, keep coming in our day-to-day life. So by applying this logic, you can sort this problem out. So guys, if you have liked this video, please put in your comments in comment section, like and subscribe, and share if you think this video is has got that quality to be shared. As of now, I am signing off. Bye bye and take care, guys.